Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to MT Paradise. So in today's video, we got some pretty awesome car meets, but first we're gonna meet up with my friend Blake, and then we're gonna cruise over to the first meet, then we're gonna hit up the second meet, and then maybe get some pretty good rollers of the Lexus on the way from like one meet to the other, but it should be pretty good. It is super windy out. There's like all these wind advisories, and it is pretty cold as well. So if there's any like audio distortion, just excuse that. It's super windy today, and like I said, really cold. So let's go ahead and head over to Blake's. Alright guys, so we just made it to the Corvette meet. So I'm here with Blake. If you guys haven't seen his channel, definitely go down and check it out. There's going to be links in the description down below. He has a lot of cool, awesome content. He does a lot of good roller shots, drone footage, and all kinds of really cool edits. But yeah, definitely check out his channel. But we are here for the Corvettes, and already check this out. Alright guys, so we haven't really made it very far, but there's already like so many awesome Corvettes, and like every direction there's just Corvettes everywhere, which this is so cool. Wow, check this out. Alright guys, so out of all the Corvette C8s I've seen, this is like my favorite spec. It's like my favorite shade of blue, and it has that blue interior, which just looks so amazing. Like it's blue on blue, there's a little bit of carbon fiber on the seats, but yeah, let's just definitely check this car out because it is such a beautiful spec. All right, guys, so we're pretty much wrapping up at this Corvette event. We're gonna head over to another car meet where there's gonna be like, it's like a bunch of classic cars, but I heard there's gonna be some supercars, and I know for a fact Donovan with his red R8 is gonna be there. So yeah, let's go ahead and skip forward to that. We're gonna try to get some rollers on the way, so it's gonna be pretty awesome. So here we go. We had to stop at Cane's on the way. I mean, it's super amazing. It's been a while since I've been here, so we definitely had to stop. I was gonna film inside, just like a little quick food vlog, but I was so excited. I ate all the food before I even realized I should have filmed. But we're about to hit the road and head to this next meet. Alright guys, so we just made over here to this other meet. It's still kind of early on, so cars are still pulling in. But we're gonna go ahead and walk around, check out the cars, see the people, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so there are actually some pretty awesome cars. You got Donovan's R8, and then there's a Ferrari F430. It looks beautiful. Also, Jaime's like Porsche 911 that we did like the Salzburg design on. Looks absolutely incredible still. There's a lot more people still pulling in, so I'm gonna keep walking around filming that. There's this big bridge up here that looks like I can access like a little stairwell, go up there and kind of get some aerial looking footage. So we're gonna try to do that here in just a little bit. But also check out this E63 wagon. The wind out here today is crazy. I keep getting like all these weather alerts for like the wind. They had all these like tents set up like a little lounge area. The wind's blowing everything away, so it's kind of annoying right now, but right now it's still a pretty decent turnout. I think I found the stairs to get up on the bridge so I can try to get some above shots of the meet. So yeah, let's just kind of explore right now. And I just realized that the higher I get, the windier it is. Like, it is insanely windy, and I'm almost up to the top of the bridge. Alright guys, so I'm going to wrap up the video right there. If you guys like this video, definitely going to hit that like button. But also, check out Blake's stuff. He has a really cool channel, especially those roller shots on the highway were from him. So definitely thank you for those because they were super awesome. Yeah, if you guys like this video, like I said, like my video, check out his channel. Subscribe if you haven't already. There's a bunch of cool, awesome car content coming. And we have some awesome things planned that are going to be coming. So definitely subscribe, stay tuned for those. But as always guys, thank you for watching.